Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafael Rivaldo Harita. I will discuss the new president, namely President Prabowo. I'm very impressed and very inspired by this new president of Indonesia, where he enthusiastically and seriously want to lead this country of Indonesia. His various journeys and failures through until now he has become the leader of the Republic of Indonesia.
Of the Republic of Indonesia Prabowo Subianto Presiden. Prabowo background. Date of birth Jakarta Oktober 171951. Is the son of Soemitro Djojo Hadikusumo and Dora Marit Sigar. Prabowo Subianto's career. Military field. Prabowo had education and a career in the military for 2 8 years. It all started in 1976. He began his military career in the Indonesian Army as a second lieutenant after graduation from the military academy in Magelang. From 1976 to 1985, Prabowo served in the Sandi Yuda Troop Command or Kopasanda, which at that time was an army special force. One of his first assignments was as a platoon commander in Group Commando, which was part of the Nanggala Operational Force in East Timor. When he was 6 years old, Prabowo became one of Yugo's platoon commanders in the operation. In 1985, Prabowo became deputy commander of the 328th Airborne Infantry Battalion. Military fight. In 1991, Prabowo served as Chief of Staff of the 17th Airborne Infantry Brigade, which was headquartered in Cijantung. Prabowo's dismissal from military service caused controversy during the general election when politician Gerindra Fadlizon denied that Prabowo had been fired but rather dismissed it with honor. In the business world, Prabowo owns and leads 127 companies in Indonesia and also abroad. Prabowo became President and CEO of PT Tidar Kerinci Agung, which operates in the palm oil production sector. The PT Nusantara Energy, which operates in the oil and gas, mining, agriculture, forestry, and pulp sector, and also PT Jaladri Nusantara, which operates in the fisheries sector. His career began with buying Kenny Kertas, a paper factory management company located in Mangkajang, Ias, Kalimantan. Prabowo changed the name Kenny Kertas to Per Nusantara. The Nusantara Group company owned by Prabowo also controls 27 companies at home and abroad. Prabowo business are engaged in platinum plantation, meaning palm oil and coal. Political field. Prabowo Subianto's political career began when he was able to run as a candidate for Indonesia president from the Golkar Party at the Golkar Presidential Candidate Convention, even though he pitched in the end. Prabowo lost the vote to Wiranto. Together with other figures, on February 7, Prabowo founded the Greater Indonesia Movement Party or Gerindra and served as chairman. On May 9, the Gerindra Party expressed its desire to nominate Prabowo as a presidential candidate in the election. In 1214 legislative general election, in his campaign, Prabowo stated that if he was elected president of the Republic of Indonesia, Prabowo wants to build a strong, sovereign, just, and prosperous economy, implement a people's economy with food and energy sovereignty, and monitor water resources, improve the quality of Indonesia's human development through education and health programs, social and cultural, as well as building infrastructure and preserving nature, and the environment, as well as building a government that is free from corruption, strong, firm, and effective. In the presidential election, Prabowo ran against B appointing Sandiaga Uno as his vice presidential candidate. However, victory was not on his side. On October 12, 1 night, Prabowo was appointed as the 26th Minister of Defense of the Republic of Indonesia in the Advanced Indonesia Cabinet for the period 12/1 to 12/4. Long story short, in 12 to 4, Prabowo will again run as a candidate for President of the Republic of Indonesia, and he was declared victorious in the election. Prabowo Subianto was born not from just anyone, from a young, a gay. He was involved in the world of military, business, and politics. Thank you very much.